Hello guys, welcome back to the channel with another drawing tutorial, and you are watching Fun Times Art and Animation. Today we're going to learn a very special drawing, how to draw Akshara, also known as Pranali Rathod, from famous Star Plus show Yeh Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai. This is the third episode of VIP drawing. If you missed the previous episode, please check the video description. Link also available in the I button. If you are new here and interested in art and animation, you must subscribe my channel for more interesting informative art videos because we delivered such interesting content daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button and be a part of our journey. And it is absolutely free of cost. Now enjoy the complete video. See you at the end.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
If you are enjoying the video, please leave a like. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. We provide such interesting informative art content daily basis. If you are interested in art, you can subscribe my channel and be a part of our journey. Through this channel, I also provide commission art service. If you want a realistic sketch of yourself or your close ones, you can connect us through the comment, or you can also DM me through the social media link available in the description. If you are new here, you must visit my channel. I am sure you will be enjoy every single video published on this channel. For your smooth experience, I already created various playlists based on the art category. So what are you waiting for? Complete the video and continue the amazing journey with Fun Times Art and Animation.
Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark.
So this is the final piece of art. If you like my work, share the video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel for more interesting, informative art tutorials. You can also share your valuable feedback with us in the comment section. So that's it for today. We will be right back with another interesting, informative art tutorials. Till then, take care. See you soon.